This Getting Started class is broken into 3 sections with 9 modules and some next steps to jumpstart your learning path. The roadmap, there are 3 primary pieces that we want to cover. We want to help you organize your day, which is basically improving your time management skills. So in Module 1, you're going to learn how to use the daily progress report to create your written daily plan of action. In Module 2, I'm going to highlight the basic skills of creating a to-do list. In Module 3, you're going to learn how to prioritize those tasks so you can get more of the right things done. In Section 2, we're going to cover that self-discovery piece, that really critical part of if you get more things done, it doesn't really matter unless those things are meaningful and are leading you forward toward creating a life you love. So in Section 2, an awareness of who are you today, Module 4 will take a self-assessment. In Module 5, we'll walk through one of the primary worksheets of the 7-Minute Life called Your Highest and Best. In Module 6, we'll talk about reconnecting with your values and setting the top 10 priorities that mean the most to you. In Section 3, we're going to just give a quick highlight over goal setting. That's who do you want to be. Module 7 will cover the power of goal setting. Module 8 is one of my favorites where we go through SMART goals. And Module 9 will cover the small daily steps towards big results. And then I'm going to share the next action items, the next steps to keep you along your pace of how you can keep the learning going with the 7-Minute Life learning platform.